Welcome to the CoCloud tutorial for CHCNAV AA9 and AA10 data processing. In this video, we'll show you how to generate point clouds, orthophotos, and 3D mesh models from AA series data using CoCloud. First, go to your project workspace and click New Dataset. Enter a name for your dataset. Then choose LiDAR raw data and select AA series as the data type. Next, upload the zip file exported from AA9 or AA10. The system will automatically validate your files and notify you if anything is missing. Then, select the base station file either from the Cloud Base Station service or from the original file. If the base station file is missing, the system will alert you. Now, set the coordinate system. If you're not familiar with coordinate systems, simply select the default coordinate system, and CoCloud will match an appropriate one for you. If you need a custom setup, choose Projected Coordinate System. The system will default to the last coordinate system you used, and you can also search or pick from history. In Advanced Settings, you can select from country or region presets, upload a CRD file, or fully customize the system. Custom options include ellipsoid, projection type, central meridian, as well as parameter transformations and grid file uploads. Next, choose your output products. You can select point cloud, orthophoto, OSC models, OBJ models. For geology or mining projects, you can also generate a DEM. Note that 3D Mesh and DEM are available for premium members. Finally, make sure auto processing after upload is enabled. Then click Start Upload and Process. You'll see the upload progress in the top right corner. Please keep the browser page open during the upload. Closing or refreshing the page will interrupt the process. Once the upload is complete, CoCloud will automatically start processing. You can check the task status in the task details. After processing, the results will be generated automatically. In your dataset, you can view high-precision point clouds, 3D mesh models, and orthophotos. CoCloud also supports visualization, measurement, and attribute inspection. With CoCloud, you can easily complete the entire workflow from AA series raw data to final 3D deliverables all online, without installing software, and with full team collaboration support.